Welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a small beauty supply Korean jewelry store haul. So let's get started. I just stopped by this old store I used to go to, and I know the owners there, and it's a Korean beauty supply. And I bought a bunch of fashion jewelry. Not too much. They didn't really have a lot of things that I liked, but I did pick up a few pieces that I did like. So let's get started with the haul. The first thing I picked up was these simple hoops with the design right here on the edges. They're just like simple. They look like they have stones, but they don't. They might have little baby, like little baby rhinestones. So I just picked that up. Just thought it was just simple and cute for every day, because I have a lot of fashion jewelry and I have a lot of flashy, like I wear cocktail jewelry and like big bold pieces and stuff. So a lot of stuff is not for like every day. Stuff is like for special occasions and going out and things like that. So I decided to pick up these. These are really pretty. It's got like a nice stone here. And then like a round, like teardrop type of earring. So pretty. So I picked these up. And then I decided to pick up these. This is the red and, how you say it, like stones around. They look like rich, those beautiful jewelry you see in the jewelers. These are really nice. So I picked up the red ones. Aren't they gorgeous? Look how they sparkle with the flash. And then I picked up these. These are cute. They're like the same kind. Something similar to that. It's, with the stones, and you get like a pretty, little pearl in the middle. So it looks like that. It's got the nice pearl in the middle. So I got those. Then I picked up these. I bought these in the past. They're just a lot of simple hoops. Just simple, basic, long dangling hoops. Plain silver. Nothing special. Just something like that. And then I picked up these. These are beautiful. This is like a really dark, is this green or blue? They look blue in the light. Because I know I bought one green, one blue, one red, different colors like that. So I think this is blue. Look how beautiful that is. It's hard to see the color of the stone with the flash on, but they're so pretty. And then I picked up these. This one's like the plain one with the big diamond crystal in the middle. Super pretty, but they're all similar. They're just different kinds of colors. Really, really nice. And then I picked up this one. And these have like a different design of stone in the middle and more diamonds around it. So this is like a purplish red, like a fuchsia color with the rhinestones. Super pretty. And then the last one I picked up was this one. This is definitely blue. Okay, so that one's green and like a green color red. And I got clear, I got pearl. And then this one's the beautiful blue. Look at that. Super, super pretty. Really, really nice jewelry. So I picked up all of those from the Korean beauty supply store. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this little jewelry haul. And I will talk to you guys later on. Have a good day and be safe. Talk to you later. Bye.